Okie dokie, my friends. Now that we've researched on Pebble Go, let's get to work in our journals. Our instructions here say watch this teacher video to draw, color, and label. An example of, what's the word for today? What? Scarcity. Check it out here in yellow. Everybody say it with me. Scarcity. One more time. Scarcity. What is scarcity? Do you remember? You've got to write it and draw it today. So let's go make sure we remember. Scarcity. Look at the picture. What is scarcity? There are not enough resources for everyone. Here, there's not enough what? Oranges. But you don't have to do the orange example. You could think about not enough pencils today, or not enough pizza today, or not enough crayons. But what are you going to show me? Scarcity of what? You get to decide. Let's get our journals and get it started. You know, we always need a clean page to do some new work today. When you open up your journal, find a clean page. And we always begin with the dates. Will you please give me a 5 for May, 10 for today, 2021. Now we're going to go to our line to write our word of the day. What is it again? What? Scarcity. Repeat it and write it. Scare, A-R, scare. S-C-A-R, scare, city at the end. C-I-T-Y. Everybody, please check this funky word we learned today. Make sure you wrote S-C-A-R-C-I-T-Y. Bravo! Scarcity. We've got our label. We've got our date. Time to draw and color an example. You could use the example you saw here with the oranges, or think of your own. Everyone's going to give me one picture to show there's not enough of what. You get to decide what resource is scarce in your picture. You don't have to do the oranges. Think for yourself. I already did my thinking. Do you want to see my picture? Don't copy me. I decided pizza was scarce at my house. Check it out. I am enjoying a lovely slice of pepperoni, but my husband said, "Where's my dinner? I gotta eat too." But I don't have enough pizza for him. The pizza is scarce. So I did me, my pizza. I did him, no pizza. And now I'm ready to add my color. I have my label, I have my date, and my example of scarce pizza. Now it's your turn. You could think of those oranges that froze and are scarce. Or pencils, not enough in the room. I did pizza. You think of what's something that you have seen is scarce. There's not enough of what? Show me a picture. There's not enough for the other people. Gotta have those color details. I'm gonna color my pepperonis red. And my husband sad. It's your turn. Think of your resource. Draw your picture and add your color. When you're done, take a picture and send it to me on Google Classroom. I can't wait to see what you draw that is scarce. Adios, amigos.